Nestled within the pristine beauty of the snowy Alps lies a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Join me as we embark on a journey into the heart of these frozen landscapes, exploring the enigma of strange statues and their Greek counterparts, known collectively as Greek lost WW2 treasures. These remarkable sculptures, adorned in a blanket of snow, hold stories that transcend time. But what makes this discovery even more intriguing is the connection to Greece. In the heart of the Alps, a secret is unveiled, echoing the hidden treasures concealed by Greece during World War II. As we delve into history, we uncover the rich tapestry of Greece, a land that guarded many incredible lost works of art. These statues, silent witnesses to a tumultuous past, now stand side by side with their alpine counterparts, creating a dialogue between two worlds separated by geography but united by the allure of beauty. Witness the breathtaking beauty of these sculptures, each telling a tale of artistic brilliance and cultural resilience. The intricate details, the craftsmanship. These statues are not merely objects, they are treasures hidden in plain sight, waiting to be appreciated. Marvel at the intrinsic value of these works of art as we compare the Alpine statues with their Greek counterparts. The shared beauty and historical significance create a bridge between two lands, inviting us to appreciate the cultural legacies that endure through the ages. In the snowy embrace of the Alps, we unveil the mysteries of strange statues, discovering the hidden treasures that connect Greece and these frozen landscapes. Join me in this exploration of art, where the beauty of the past converges with the present, and the value of these sculptures becomes a testament to the resilience of culture. As we wrap up this journey, let these statues spark a conversation about the hidden treasures scattered across the world. Join the dialogue on Greek lost WW2 treasures, where the beauty of discovery is as timeless as the art it reveals.